first we have to remember that our competition is with the Chinese Communist Party and the dictator who now leads it. It's not really with the Chinese people. As long as we remember that and make common cause with the Chinese people, who are no fonder of Chinese ideology under Xi Jinping than we are, quite frankly. And you're hearing that quite literally in the screams that are coming out of high-rises in Shanghai over the past couple of weeks. People trapped, welded into their apartment buildings as part of this strange experiment to completely eliminate COVID and bring down the Chinese economy with it. Look, I'm actually quite optimistic that the United States, when we emerge, we remember our strengths and get past our self-doubt, which there's a lot of that that's been going around. And as long as we stay unified and don't lose our heads, we're going to prevail over these new totalitarian ideologies just as we have in the past. We just have to not lose our heads in doing that. I don't think that China is going to prosper under Xi Jinping, even though I take I'm very humble about his ability to still make the most of a system that does not really reward human enterprise or the human spirit, but more the machinations of a dictator. They do pretty well for dictators, right? But that game usually, the House usually wins, and the House is a Democratic House.